Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher, teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have studied in our last session, students? Yes, we have started our second chapter, that is addition and subtraction. In that we have solved exercise 2.1 and we have started 2.2 also. 2.2 A question we have completed. In 2.2 B question we have started. Open the page number 25. First one I have taken in the last session. Now everyone, if you have pencil with you, just take the 4th number question. Okay. Now I am going to take 4th number question. What is the 4th number question? Let me write here 38,032, 19,280, and the next is 4,089, and the last number is 199. Now we have to do addition of this given 4 number. Now what you will do? You will draw one place value chart and write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Now you can give your place values to the number or else you can write directly. So always start from the right side. Okay. This is your right hand. From right side. Numbers also start writing from right side. So what is there? 2 on ones place. The next is 3. Sorry, I am writing on the first row. We should not write on first row. Why? Because one line we should leave for the carry. Yes. Now 2, 3, 0, 8 and 3. The next number is, start from the right side, 0, 8, 2, 9 and 1. 9, 8, 0, 4, and the 9, 9 and 1. Okay. Now we have to do the addition of this number. Now we always start addition from ones place. What is there on ones place? See students, if numbers are more, you just do the rough work. Write this all numbers together, that is 2 plus 0 plus 9 plus 9. Now see what we get. See, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. So 20. So 0 will write on ones place and 2 will carry on tens place. Now we have to add in the next tens value including carry also. So I'll write here 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9. Okay. Now see, 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 5 after 8. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, again 18 after, again 8. 18 after, yes, tell me what will come. See, how you can do shortcut. See, you can do it fast. 8 plus 8, 8 to the 16. See here again we get one more 8, but it is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, here 9 is there, 25. 25 plus 3, yes, 28. 28 plus 2, yes students, 30. So right here 30. See, you can do in your own way addition. However you feel easy. So I'll write 0 on tens place, 3 I will carry on hundreds place. Now we have to add all the numbers of hundreds place. What are the numbers? 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1. Now see, very simple. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. We got only 6. So write 6 as it is on 100 place. No carry to 1000. Now 8 plus 9 plus 4. Now see, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 4, 18, 19, 20, 21. So write 1 here on thousands place and 2 carry to 10,000s place. Now 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So what is our answer? Write here answer, that is 61,600. Got it? Understood? This sum understood everyone? Yes, very easy sum. Okay? Now we'll move to the next sum. Now I will solve sixth one question for you. What is the sixth one? Everyone, if you have pencil with you, just tick mark the sixth one. 1096, 23,456, and the next is 978. The next is 27,362. Okay. Now see, again 5-digit number is there, so just make a place value chart of 5-digit, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. See what you can do, students, give the place value to each number, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Without, you can do in your mind also, but without doing, if you will start writing from here only, na, everything will go wrong. Okay, so don't do hurry and don't be confused. Go with the place values only. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now I can write from this side also when I will give place value to this number. See, where is 1 on thousands place? I will write 1 box we have to leave for carry. 0, 9, 6, and this number start from 10,000s place. So I can directly start from 10,000s place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the next is 978. 900 start from hundreds place. So start writing from hundreds place. 978. The last number is 27,362. So 2 is on 10,000s place. So I'll write again 2, 7, 3, 6, 2. Now we will add this number. Okay, give addition symbol, don't forget. Otherwise, what you have done, whether addition or subtraction, teacher will not understand. So start addition always from ones place. So I'll write here 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2. This is rough work. You have to do as a rough work. It is not compulsory to write. Now here see, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So on ones place 2 write as it is and 2 carry to tens place. Now tens addition with this 4 numbers we have to take carry also. So I'll start with the carry 2 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. Now let us see. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 7. Yes students, 16 plus 7. Yes, if you are confused, go with the fingers. Okay, 16 after 7 fingers. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 6, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 9 I will write on tens place. 2 will carry to hundreds place. Now we will add hundreds place whatever numbers are given. What are the numbers? 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3. Okay. You can do directly here also. Okay. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So I'll write 8 on hundreds place and 1 I'll carry to thousands place. See what I am saying? You can do from here also. Doesn't matter. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 will carry to 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer is 52892. So give comma after 3 digit. So the number is, our answer is 52,892. Got it? Yes, very easy. Now we'll move to the next sum. 10th one I will solve for you now. Okay? Tick mark the 10th one. What is the 10th one question? See, 3,36,492, comma 4,52,078, and the last is 5,656. See, now 3 numbers given, but there are 6 digit numbers. So let us write place value: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Once you will write the place value, you will understand how many columns you have to draw. Okay, so 6 digit, you are going to draw 6 columns. Here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. I'll start from here: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay, now I'll place the numbers in the column. What is the number? 3,36,000. So 3 start from lakhs place. 1 line leave for the carry. 3, 3, 6, 4, 9, 2. The second number is 4, 5, 2, 0, 7, 8. And the last is, see, 5 start from 1,000. Where is 1,000? Here. So you have to write from here. 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay? Give addition symbol. Don't forget to give the addition symbol. Very important. Now I'll start addition from here only. If you are confused, you can write and you can do the rough work. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 16, 6 I'll write in 1's place, 1 we have to carry to the 10's place. Now 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22. So 2 I'll write on 10's place, 2 will carry to 100's place. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6, see table, 6 2s are 12. So write 2 on 100's place, 1 you have to carry on 1000's place. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. So write 4 on 1000's place and 1 carry to 10,000's place. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So here nothing is there, means 0, no need to add anything. Now the last 3 plus 4 is 7. So what is the answer? 794226. So give comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. What is the answer? 7,94,226. Understood? Easy now? Yes, very easy. Last one more question I'll solve for you, that is 12th one. Everyone tick the 12th number question. What is the 12th number? 4, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. The next is 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last is 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now see. Give the place value to the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. See, when you will give the place value, you will understand that how many digit addition is there, and the second is you will understand how many columns you have to draw. See, there are 7. So first let me complete here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so I'll write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Leave one line, leave one box for the carry. Now I'll take from here 43 lakhs 56,345, and the second number is start from lakhs. So I'll start from lakhs. 4,24,567, and the last number is start from 10,000s place. So I'll start from 10,000s. 63,456. Okay, now we'll do the addition of this number. So give addition symbol. Now see the addition. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So write 8 on 1's place. 1 will carry to 10's place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 I'll write on 100's place. 1 I'll carry to 1000's place. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, yes, 7 plus 4. Tell me students. 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So write 4 on 1000's place. 1 carry to 10,000's place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 6. Yes, tell me. 8 plus 6, 14. Write 4 on 10,000's place and 1 carry to lakhs place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And the last is on 10 lakhs place, only 4 they are given. So place the 4 as it is because nothing is there to add. So what is the answer we got? 484436 give comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. So the answer is 48,44,368. Understood? Yes students, got it? Clear till here? Yes. Now remaining sums are very easy. Which are hard I have solved. Remaining you are going to solve by your own. Now we will move to our next concept, that is subtraction of 5 and 6 digit number. Okay. Now what is mean by subtraction students? Yes. Let me give you one example. Okay. If your class strength is 40, okay, we do have 40 students in our class, isn't it? Yes. One day, suppose 5 students are absent. What I said? There are 40 students, okay, and 5 students are absent on one day. So what is the presentee of that day students? Yes, tell me. Yes, you are correct. 35. What did you do? Yes. To get the 35 number, what did you do? Yes, you have done the subtraction. 40 minus 5 is 35. So what you have done? Subtraction, isn't it? So what is mean by subtraction? Subtraction means finding the difference between two numbers, isn't it? Yes. Already you have studied the subtraction in 3rd standard. Okay, so till 3rd standard we used to do 4 digit subtraction, but now here we have to do the 5 and 6 digit subtraction. Before doing subtraction you should know few terms. So what are those? Minuend. Minuend means what? The number from which we subtract. The next is subtrahend. What is mean by subtrahend? Number which is subtracted. Okay, and the difference means result or answer. So what they want to say here, minuend minus subtract is equal, not subtract, sorry, here will come subtrahend. Okay, minuend minus subtrahend is equals to different. For example, 9. Minuend is 9, subtrahend is 5. Now tell me, 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is, difference is 4. Minuend means number from which we subtract. This is the number. And the subtrahend means number which is subtracted. What we have subtracted from 9? 5. And the difference means result or answer. So what is the result? What is the answer of 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Now here, when we add difference plus subtrahend, we get minuend. How? We will see. See, what is the difference here? 4. I'll write 4. The subtrahend is 5. And the answer is, should come minuend. How? When we add 4 plus 5, we get 9 only. So, when you are doing the subtraction, you can cross check with this method whether your answer is correct or no. Understood till here? Yes? Yes, very easy. Now, open your canopy. Open your canopy, page number 27. See this. Just now I said in short, that only they are given. What it is? The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. And the number from which the subtrahend is subtracted is called minuend. And the result we get after the subtraction is called the difference. And here, if you add the difference and subtrahend, see, if you add the difference and subtrahend, you will get the minuend. Okay, so use this method to cross check your answer. Okay, now let me teach you subtraction with the 0. Okay, before that, let me tell you 3 things. First, when 0 is subtracted from a number, we get the number itself. How? See, for example, 8 minus 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get itself because 8 is there. 0 means nothing. So, answer is 8 only. Understood? Keep in your mind. Second thing, when a number is subtracted from itself, we get 0. See, how? For example, 5 minus 5. When the number is subtracted from itself, means 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, we get 0. Understood? Keep in your mind. One more last I would like to tell you. We cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. How, students? For example, see here. 7 minus 9. See, from 7 fingers, can we subtract 9 fingers? No. We need to borrow from neighbor. So, you don't have neighbor. So, here what I want to tell you, we cannot subtract smaller number from the greater number. Understood? So, here I would like to teach you the subtraction with the 0. See, they are given the question. Subtract 56,678 from 87,800. So, here is a question. So, first we have to write greater number only. Always remember, while doing the subtraction, write first greater number. So, what is the greater number? 87,800 and 56,678. Now, see here, 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8 we cannot do. As I said you, from smaller number we cannot subtract greater number. So, what we have to do? Cut the 0, write as it is. Ask your neighbor to give one borrow. Neighbor is having? No, neighbor also having 0. So go with the next neighbor. So this neighbor is having 7. He will give 1. So here will get 10. So now this neighbor is having 10. Now he can give 1. So cut the 9. 9 as it is, and here is 10. Okay. So 10 minus 8. Now we can do, that is 2. 9 minus 7. Yes, tell me, 9 minus 7 is 2. The 7 minus 6 is 1. And the 7 minus 6 is 1. And the 8 minus 5, yes, tell me, 3. So the answer is 31,122. Okay. See, one more example I'll teach you. Regroup lakhs, regroup tens and regroup thousand. Example number 4 they are given. Okay. Now the question is what? Subtract 38,495 from 5 lakh. Okay. So always write greater number from this side. So we have to subtract 5 lakhs from 5 lakh from 38,495. So to subtract the ones, you have to regroup it. Okay. So there is no tens. There is no tens. See here. We have to subtract from ones, but there is nothing is there, 0. So what we have to do? Go with the tens. But tens also don't have anything. Hundreds also don't have. Thousands also don't have. 10,000s also don't have. So directly who is having? Lakh is having directly. So we have to regroup with the lakhs place. Start from lakhs place. Okay. Lakh is having 5. He will give 1 to 10,000. So he will remain 4. Now 10,000 is having 10 with him. So what he will do? He will give 1 to 1,000. See here. 10,000 is having 10. He will give 1 here. So here 9 will remain. Now what 10,000 will do? Now he will give 1 to 100. So here 10,000 is having, sorry, not 1,000 is having 10 now. Now 1,000 what he will do? He will give 1 to 100. So in this way. Now 100 what he will do? He will give to tens. And the last tens will give to ones. So now here we have 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 4 as it is. Okay. Now what is the answer we got? 4,61,505. See, higher order thinking in mathematics B for an easier method to solve such subtraction sums. Okay. Understood till here? So today we have started our new concept, that is subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit. We have solved one 5-digit example and one 6-digit example. In our next session, we will start the exercise 2.3. Okay. So what you will do today? Today's your home assignment is just practice the subtraction sums of given in the textbook for the example. Okay. Till that time, take care. Bye bye students. Thank you.